Hey guys, I'm Jordan Carruthers. I'm a storm chaser for Manitoba Storm Chasers. In a typical year, I will drive anywhere from eastern Manitoba all the way over to western Alberta, right up to the Rockies, or anywhere from Canada down to the Mexico border. Manitoba typically, on average, sees 9 to 14 tornadoes per year. So this is our storm chasing vehicle. It's a 2006 Hummer H3. If you look up here, you can see we have our Davis weather station. And this is very important for when we're out in the field. It'll tell us wind speeds, barometric pressure, temperature, dew point and humidity, stuff like that. Safety is #1 priority when we're in the middle of a chase. And then secondary comes filming and taking photos, and of course reporting to the authorities to make sure they're able to get those warnings out in a timely manner. Make sure you stay tuned for the next episode, see a little bit more about what I do, and maybe even see a little bit of action as well.